Hi, my name is Mr. Codilla, and today I'm going to show you how to use a wooden mannequin like this to make a drawing. Now, why would you use one of these mannequins? It's because sometimes you can't find a quick picture of the right type of pose and figure that you want from the right angle, and it's easier just to use one of these mannequins. So you can move it all different ways and also have it from different angles, so you're not just drawing it straight out like this. So I'm going to make a drawing real quick just to kind of show you the usefulness of this type of tool. I'll just go ahead and pose it. Now I'm not going to look at it just like this, straight on. I'm going to actually tilt it to the side so I can see more of a top view. Now of course you can also, in conjunction with this, use pictures as well. I'm just going to make a quick sketch here. Notice I just keep it light. Obviously, most people aren't going to simply draw the mannequin itself. They're just using it so that they can get the structure of a person that they want to do. And they'll go back and add things like skin and clothes and so forth and so on. Now you'll notice that when I use this mannequin, I'm not really worried about getting details or anything like that right now. I just want to get the pose right. What's great about using these mannequins as well is that once you have it, it's readily available. You don't need to ask someone to get into a particular pose so you can draw them, although that's fine if they're available, but sometimes people just aren't available for that. One of the things I'd like to point out while I'm drawing this is many people are able to draw facing forward or to the side pretty well, but it gets a little trickier when you take that front view or whatever and you start turning to the side and you start seeing things kind of in perspective. It's called to have it foreshortened. So for example, this leg right here is foreshortened, and the mannequin kind of helped me figure out how to put that all together, where the foot would go, so forth and so on. Now that I have it generally blocked in here, I can go in and then start adding details. For example, like where muscles would be at, where clothes and so forth and so on would be at, eyes, things like that.